In this video, I'm going to show you how to loosen lug nuts that were tightened by Hercules himself. All right, we just got this vehicle off of a lot, and it looks like it got some new tires. Somebody went crazy with some kind of impact tool likely and tightened these things really excessively. So this is a trick to get these lug nuts off. If you are working on the vehicle, you're likely right next to a jack. 9 times out of 10, the jack handle is going to have a pin that you can push in to remove. What we're doing is we're creating a breaker bar. So go ahead and put your lug nut wrench on. Make sure it's seated really well. Grab your handle and feed it through the open end. So now what we've done is we've created what's known as a breaker bar. It gives you more leverage. If you need to, you can even lift it higher off and you can kind of bounce it back and forth. And you don't want to go too hard at once because you'll snap something, but little by little, you can see I can now loosen that bad boy off. Okay, so I got that one. Let's try, I think I already got that one. Yeah, I think I got that one, yep. So let's try this one together. No edits, this thing's on there real well, so this is gonna show you the reality of it. So I'm putting this on at this like 12 o'clock one. Gonna put the breaker bar on, and you can go like this, or if you want to get more leverage, put it on the end. I like to do it about halfway, and I'm going to kind of bounce it back and forth. You can see how much the car's moving. Okay, I feel it starting to give. There we go. Ah, that's nice. There we go. So that one's loose. Let's put one more on. Same process, about halfway. And we're just gonna bounce it. Little bounces. Don't want to break anything. Sometimes pulling towards you is easier. There you go. Okay, and then of course, you know, it goes without saying, maybe I do need to say it, don't jack the vehicle up and try to do this. You want the weight of the vehicle sitting down on the tire so that nothing turns. If it was elevated, you know, that tire would be real wobbly and make this even harder. We don't need to make this harder. Okay, well, I hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Good luck on your project.